Hello kay Fenor. Today we have Ma'am Ana Ria.
Ako sir, may offer talaga po sa imo lupa itang mga lolo nga ginakabaligya data na. So, di pa check ko dahil po ano ang mga kulang ba ng information or possible ng mga magiging nanay ever
Bigyan na tayo pa.
kabaligya.
So, Union Libertad. Pandan. But yung property niya is from La Union Libertad. So ngayon we have new listings and maybe we can advise her about paano natin mabenta siya. And I know ma'am, ba na it takes years na or it's more than a decade na. 10 years na bakit sa hanggang ngayon di pa rin mabenta. So based on the documents that I received, I found out na yung property pala nila is almost 5 hectares at medyo ano siya, medyo malaki yan at medyo surprise namin is how much you know for 1,000. So 1,000 per square meters. So my advice is I think this price is medyo expensive siya if you are the one or if you are the company owned or individual buyer ka lang, medyo pricey siya. And we suggest that maybe we can subdivide it and we can lower the price para mas mabilis na mabita. And this document is a title property anyway. We can transfer it to you and our office will be settled everything from transfer of title, from estate. So the next thing we do right now is check the property and we set a schedule so as soon as possible para matingnan natin, I can recommend kung paano natin mabita to or ma-sell. So if you're looking in Pandan, Antique, kay Fenor, we are going to have a listings soon. So check our next video. Thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye.